Hello and welcome to today's video. We have got the BoxyCharm by Ipsy box, or base box as it used to be called. Oh my goodness, I want to know what we got. So let's hop on in. We're going to start with the 3 items that I got to choose. Oh, those look like brushes. Yes, they are brushes from a company called Wingme. 3 different brushes. I will say I like the blingy, shimmery part of the handle. We are attracted to blingy things. Yes, we are. What I'm not liking is the way the brush seems to be weighted in my hand when I go to hold it. It is heavier towards the front, and I'm not sure I'm wild about that concept. So these may find their way into the Find a Future Home box. I will say the bristles seem nice, soft, fluffy on this fluffy brush. And where's the other one? The other 2, just nice and soft and fluffy, and this one over here is more dense, but it is still soft. Half Caked gives a lip gloss duo. Oh, that's nice. Yes, it is nice. We have Crystal Baller and Mesmerize. They both look like nice, fun shades. I'm thinking that I might keep the top one for myself and put the bottom one into the Find a Future Home box, because I have a lot of lip glosses and lip oils that I don't want them to go bad before I get to use them. My third choice was from a brand that I've tried their under eye patches. This is Topicals. I was curious to get to see what this lotion or serum is like. Oh, this could be interesting. Yes, that's what I thought. Something interesting. This is the Topicals Slather Exfoliating Body Serum, and it has retinol, lactic acid, urea, and squalene in it. So it should do lots of good things for your skin. I think my favorite item from my choices is the Slather product from Topicals. And what did you see that you liked? Comment down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know. And speaking of things that might go into the Find a Future Home box, we are closing in on 250 subscribers, at which time there will be another giveaway. So please subscribe if you have not done so already, share with your friends, and let's get on with this video. They picked 2 items, and they picked a Saturdayskin product. I have used their Rub-a-Dub product, and that was very nice. Yes, so I'm excited to try another Saturdayskin product. This is the Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser. It is in scented apple and peach. So apple sounds interesting. Anne is not too wild about peaches. But hey, that's why we also get subscription boxes, so we can try new things without having to pay the full retail price. So very true. And believe it or not, people, this is the beginning of year number 4 on YouTube for me, and this is her first Ofra palette. Yes, my first Ofra palette. This is Signature Palette Luxe. We have 5 very cute little shades, a little on the neutral side for what Anne usually uses, yet, hey, it has a highlighter in there, and I get to do swatches. Cue the music or the sound effects or whatever we can find. The camel will now do swatches. As always, that was a great job in the swatching department, the team of the camel. Thank you. As always, I like swatching, almost as much as I like shopping. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, because that's what I like to do. Because value is not only, am I going to use the products, value is also, did I get a decent return on my monetary investment? My box has an overall value of $140, and I'm pleased overall with everything in it. With the exception of the brushes, I'm still kind of waffling. I have a feeling they might wind up in the future home box. The brushes have a retail value of $34. The lip gloss duo, $18. The topicals product, $30. The Saturdayskin cleanser, $26. And the Ofra Cosmetics eyeshadow, $32. And that is why we do subscription boxes, so we can get to try some of these more expensive items without having to pay their full price. My box is $30, and that's the monthly plan. You can also do $28, and actually that is what I have. I have $28 plus taxes. I have $28 plus taxes because I'm on an annual subscription. Monthly, if you just want to go month by month, if you're not sure, and there's nothing wrong with doing that, that is $30 a month. So, thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. We're going to have a giveaway if we ever make it to 250, and we're headed that direction.